Alright, what's going on, y'all? Back for another backtesting session. We had a good trade this morning on NQ, price action delivered. And yeah, so I'm kind of just continuing to go on this account. At some point, I'll switch it up. I'm not too sure when, but I do want to go backtest later, earlier data. So 2020 to 2022 probably, or 2022 to 2024 is actually the next amount of data that I've got up next. So we've had a rough month in October. So hopefully November is good, but October was pretty awful, to be honest. So October we actually lost money. Every other month we've been green. So yeah, that's about it. So let's just go ahead and get right into it today. See how this November price action ends up treating us. Start out on the daily time frame. Inside of this new week opening gap, delivering out of this daily fair value gap. I do kind of think this might be the lowest point we'll reject to. For right now, at least before we deliver higher. 4 hours trading bullish. We just got an inversion of this 4 hour. Next draw on liquidity is potentially these highs up here. Continuing to trend higher. We just swept out this high inside of this hourly, so we could deliver lower. As far as what I see, not delivering from anything out of the 15 minute. I do like this 15 minute unfilled, potentially getting hit on the way up. See if we can sweep out this low inside of this 15 minute as well. That's kind of just what I'm seeing today. I want to play this 15 minute low as my kind of conditions for the day. See what price gives us. Hold on, do we just put into a 5? We are inside of a 5. Oh, this isn't even, this is 10 a.m. Daily reacted higher. Unfilled daily. 4 hours kind of retracing. Maybe we get a push into this 4 hour for value gap. Hourly looks like we're going lower. We could flip and deliver out of this. I like this high getting hit if so, or we just continue to trend lower, right? So we'll just see what price gives us. Looks like we're going to push lower. Bang. I don't mind that. Now we're inside this 4 hour, so I would like to see price potentially reject out of this area and look for longs. What this 2 minute did close actually. Like this 2 minutes, could pre-fire this. But the 3 minute is still holding, so we're gonna have to wait and let this 3 minute play out. Perfect. I will take this. That's not where I meant to put my stop. We'll go stops just below this candle. I could see price retracing into this right here actually. Probably just below the whole move down, because I could see price retracing down here, but I don't really want to get wicked out. And then we do just have buy side up here, right? Of this 15 minute, this 1 hour, yeah, 1 hour high as well. Probably just take a break even right here. Gosh, give me a market order. I don't know why I keep buy limiting it. Go break even. Probably right here. Break even. Could be a re-entry here if we deliver out of this 2 minute again. I would like to see a re-entry here potentially, but we are delivering out of this small 5 minute, so really just playing this either way. Could want to get a resweep on these lows. Yeah, look like we want to get a resweep. Still convicted in longs though here at some point. Not looking like it's going to be the play though. Oh, we did sweep out this low. Prominent low inside this hourly. We'll see if we flip and reject from this point. 4 hour. Ooh, 4 hour did get inversed. So we could be going way lower here. We already moved quite a bit since open. 300 points. You could expect pretty bad price action from this point on. Short actually looks good. Relative equal lows. Yeah, this short looks good. It is late in the day though, so just go quick break even here. Yeah, I mean, could go. Yeah, probably should go break even here, but yeah. Break even. Could be a short re-entry here. Delivering out of this 1 minute. 1 minute got inversed. Resweep at these lows. Actually pretty good long, but you know, we're just longing into a 5 minute, so I'm not really a fan of that. Probably break even too, so yeah, just not much I saw today. Not a fan. Continuing lower. Next draw. I do feel like we could probably just continue bearish here. See if we can get a retracement off open. No 30-second. Did get a sweep at these lows, delivering out of this hourly. I still think we go lower here, but open up a volume imbalance. No fair value gaps to enter off of here. Yeah, just no entries. This is 10 a.m. news as well. This volume imbalance up here. Price could be hunting. Just opened up a 5 minute. I don't really want to take this. ES swept out these lows. We are SMT'd. I probably could have entered longs here, to be honest, off that SMT. Five-minute close is bearish. We left relative equal. We left equal highs actually. So I don't really want to short here. Could just take something like this. These relative equal highs. Take a break even right here. 5-minute did inverse though. This isn't very A plus, a little bit more discretionary here, but yeah, not gonna play out. Yeah, that was just discretionary, not any model, nothing. That just wasn't. That was not good at all. Just wanted to see those relative equal highs get hit. I don't really like any of this price action. We're kind of just chopping all around, so. It's late in the day. I will tape read this. Just this 4-minute close after that liquidity sweep. Delivering up to this 15-minute unfilled. Probably would have been break even at that internal high. Yeah, break even. Not the biggest fan of this price action right now. But, alright, seems like we're rejecting. Going higher. Daily unfilled above. Swept out this drawn liquidity. Looks like we're trending higher here. New week opening gap. Could want to come down and play this down to this new week opening gap. Wouldn't mind that. We're in a heavy consolidation period here, so. Alright, we manipulated to the upside. Mm, 3-minute dumps. Like, there's just not that much I'd like to take here. I'll take continuation shorts, but mm, 5-minute. Could take this 1-minute play here. We are SMC'd from these highs. But it's still inside of this 2 minute. I'd want to see this 2 minute close. Yeah, no, nothing. It's this 5 minute and out as well. Like, ooh, I will take this 5 minute short. I really do like this. Just play this down to this 15 minute unfilled. Kind of barcodey price action here. My break-even point also did get taken upon my entry, so not incredible, but we'll go break-even at this 1 minute internal. Bang, flush to full TP. Nice. So stay patient through all this price action. Waited till we got this 5 minute close, right? Price inverting this 5 minute close. Entered swing low inside of a 5 minute, also low inside of a 15 minute as well. So I like that setup. Trending lower on the daily. Still think that we want to come up into this daily unfilled. Might want to reject down to new week opening gap though. We are SMT'd at these highs. I feel like shorts is kind of just a play here down to this new week opening gap. For sure. I don't really want to be long. So, yeah. Kind of just see what price gives us here. Lots of LR though, to be honest. Lots of LR, so we could be looking for longs. Crazy wick. I just need a higher time frame delivery here before I take anything. This price action looks terrible. 50 minutes sweeps out this high. Nothing I like here. Wow. This price action's awful. Now we see about this low. We get the higher time frame delivery here. You could take the 1 minute, but there's also a 5 minute. Now you get the 5 minute close. Could take something like this, which is SMT at these highs. Like, seems like nothing high probability here. Bro, trash price action. October, November has been so bad. I think that we'll just come up and run this high, top into this daily unfilled, and deliver lower. See if we can get a sweep of this liquidity. inside this fair value gap, and then probably displace up. Well, I was just wrong on drawing liquidity. Man, I just get nothing. Body held here. This 1 minute actually looks solid. Single inversion. Higher time frames holding. I'm just going against the trend though, so I just don't like it. It'll play out, but you know, it's like probably delivering to a 15. Alright, I'll take this continuation short here. Probably have a bigger stop loss because we have all these inception gaps. Like at this point, you're just running a 75-point stop, which is crazy, but I do like this flushing from here. The chop is not a good sign. And my break-even point already got swept. Like, take a break-even here. Probably gonna flush. Wow, this is terrible price action. I literally have not seen one A plus setup. Not one A plus setup. Probably want to see us come into this new week opening gap and fill it. I mean, that's just what we're looking like. We're looking very bearish here. We did sweep out all these highs to lows. Probably could have taken this 1 minute. Bouncing off this new week opening gap. Especially if we swept this low. No, we didn't. I will take continuation shorts here though. Just wait for this 4 minute to close. Man. I will take this 4 minute. We just have all this all these draws and liquidity above. Stop at this order block perhaps. I don't even. Plan on this getting filled. Just have all these inception gaps that I don't really like. Go stops above this order block. Go break even here. Just looking for this new week opening gap to get filled now. And it does. Perfect. Patience pays. Waited for my setup. Finally came down. Got the 4 minute. And just went for the new week opening gap fill. Right? So patience pays. Probably could have had a tighter stop here. But just being cautious. Yeah, I like it. We are dumping. They just sweep out that low. I mean, higher time frame is just clearly bearish, so I'd want to take shorts. We are SMC'd here with the S though. Whoa. Well, now we're going higher. Just 0 entries. These are just tough markets to navigate. Get the 1 minute close here. Could just take it break even at this internal low. We're delivering off anything. We are delivering out of this higher time frame. Take it break even at the 5 minute. Target all this sell side below, to be honest. Bro, these markets, what are we doing? We left this low behind. I mean, I guess ES already swept it, but like, what? No higher time frame. Like these markets are just ridiculous. We just expand off open, get 0 entries, and then when we do get an entry, we get stopped out and consolidate. Even this 2 minute would have failed. Like, I genuinely don't even want to trade these markets. Like this November price action, I don't even want to trade it. It's so bad. We're inside of a 4 hour, clearly still going lower. Bro, these markets are actually like comical how trash these are. What am I looking at? Inside this hourly now, some sort of rejection here. The higher time frame just doesn't. You don't even use the higher time frame. Like this 5 minute close. This 5 minute did close actually. This is actually solid. Do we have a higher time frame delivery? Yes, we swept out this high. This is actually A plus. I'm not gonna lie. Just 930 wick. 930 wick. This is actually A plus. Let's see if this plays out. Take a break even at this next 5 minute. Take a break even here. Alright, scale. What do I want to close? Probably 60, 70% of my position here. At this low, I'd probably want to close a little bit more. Another 70% of the position. Probably gonna go $64. I don't even need that. Just let this run. Bang, full TP. Solid, incredible 5 minute right there. Delivery from the higher time frame. 1 to 4.46. That was great. Alright, now we took out this 4-hour low. Again, I just probably want to take shorts out of this. Whoa. Do we get the higher time frame delivery at anything? No, we're just not delivering at anything though. No 30 minute, no 15 minute. So swept out this high. Huge wick. Like you could take this inversion. It's just not really like A plus. You just have no higher time frame delivery. Are we SMT'd on the higher time frame maybe? No. Price isn't delivering at anything. Or I guess this 5 minute. How did I miss this 5 minute? I mean, I could try. I'll try this short. Insta stopped. Yeah, I knew it. Just not enough higher time frame delivery here. Oh, wow. Wow, by a tick. Never mind. Forget everything I said. Did deliver out of this 5 minute. We just got to retrace good stop loss position at this high. Quit break even at this internal low right here. And we flushed. Complaining over nothing. Daily's actually rejecting out of this area. I still continue. I still think we're probably gonna flush to those lows though. This 5 minute wasn't bad. Alright, it's 11 a.m. Nothing. Alright, well now we're trending bullish, disrespecting these gaps, respecting these gaps. Looks like we want to come up to this high. See what we get. Wow, very shitty. Do get this 1 minute. Delivery out of the higher time frame. 930 wick above. I like this. You could long this for sure. Wow, no, we got wicked out. And it would have been break even. Did we run to TP? Nah, break even would have saved us from a loss. If I would have just taken this minor sell side, it would have just been negative RR. Dang. Well, now let's see a sweep from here and displace. Wow. Nothing. Just took a loss. That's tough. Holy. Delivering out of a daily. I don't know how deep we retrace here. I don't really. Not expecting us to go much lower than this. We're delivering out of a weekly. This is where I like us to look for longs. This is perfect. This is a great position to start looking for longs. See us manipulate lower. Wow, what in the world is this open? Oh my. No higher time frame. We're delivering from the 15. We are delivering out of the 15 minute on ES. I would take this. Just because we did get that delivery from ES. Take this for a 1-to-1 here, perhaps. I'm not very convicted in this. I'll take it tape read. Yeah, good. I really expected us to come into this gap, right? ES doing it wasn't enough for me. We did get a sweep of this internal low now. See if we deliver out of this 15 minute. Give us positions to the upside. 2 minutes still got to close. Take it up to this minor buy side. Actually, I'm gonna just change my stop here. I'm gonna go stop at the C of this wick. Alright, nice. Inverse this 1 minute that we were stuck on. Like to see that. Take a break even right here. And full TP. Nice. Just targeting this minor buy side. Very solid trade there. Again, I still like to look for longs out of this position. I think that we're just about to trend higher. So let's see what price manipulates into off open. Alright, price trending higher. Wow. Delivering to a 5. 30-second is the highest time frame. I don't love it. Yeah. I like this a lot better. I like this a lot better. Did ES sweep out these lows? Oh, we left equal lows on ES. Oh, so I'm not. I do like this though. Insta stopped. That is unfortunate. I mean, we've I don't know. That was not great. I didn't want to see that happen. And they keep giving us re-entry opportunities here. But like, I don't love it at all. Okay, this I'm confident will play out. At least be a break even. Now we're beginning to deliver higher. Let's not be greedy. Let's just go for a 1-to-1 here. Bang. 1-to-1 hit. Alright. There we go. Took us a couple tries, but I liked it. Right. The reason this first trade failed, this long, I think is just because we hadn't swept out this low yet, right? Like this was its own 5-minute retracement. Once we came up and that failed, it allowed us to go lower, sweep out the low inside of the 5-minute, and then give us a great V-shaped 1-minute recovery to the upside. And then I like that we retraced back into this 1 minute, respected this 1 minute, closed above, had a great break even point, and I just expected us to flush from here. So again, I still just kind of see us trending bullish from here, delivering off of a weekly fair value gap. Kind of just see us trending bullish. Could get a retracement here though, because we are kind of overextended in this range. Right, like realistically from this swing low to this swing low, like this swing high to this swing low. So we could get a retracement here, but I'd like to take longs still. Alright, run the discount. I'd like to long from here. Ooh, you get the 1 minute. V shape. I will take this. Take it just quick break even here. But we did leave behind relative equal highs. I mean, I do see us coming all the way up, to be honest. So take some partials here. Probably just go break even. Alright, at this point, take some partials. Close out 70%. Break even. We took our partials. I didn't mind it. I rejected out of this 5 minute, but we took our partials. Could have probably, yeah, I mean, I like it. We took our partials. I like the trade. And I still see these relative equal highs getting hit at some point. We are delivering out of this 2 minute. This 1 minute might work. Tape read this. We edged him. And full TP. So it did work. It did. I would have gone break even right here. These equal highs. Played out. Just you would have been sitting in this trade till way late in the day. Still delivering higher here. This high looks obvious, and this high looks obvious as well. Delivering out of an hourly. Yeah, I just kind of want to see us flush here. But give me an entry, not something like this. Ooh, I actually like this, I think. Not really, actually. Maybe you get the retracement here. If this 1 minute closes, I'll take it, but there's just no higher time frame sponsorship in this move. Like, yes, the whole move is delivering out of the hourly. We could just continue to flush, but and both these highs already got taken. Like, I'm just not too convicted in this. Would have played out. Would have gone break even. Probably would have been break even. Okay, this is what I'm starting to like. Right now we get a retracement to the 15 minute. This hourly low is protected, so I don't really want to see us come all the way down there. I do like this though. Delivering out of this 15-minute. You get the 2-minute close. Oh, you just are inside of a 5. That's tough. Well, good thing I didn't take it. Yeah, I'll take this. It's already 11, but ooh, this is a tough stop loss though. I think we're gonna flush up to here, but I don't really. Oh, I don't know. It's only a 50-point stop at this break even. At this, if we flush through this, I don't really want to see that. Probably just go like stop loss right here. Target a 1-to-1. I knew it. We're gonna play out now. Bro, that stop loss positioning was so tough on that 5-minute. Like realistically, I probably should have gone like something like this, like below this inversion candle, and just targeted this high. And bang, full TP. Just bad stop loss placement there. Delivering out of this daily fair value gap now. Could see a slight push lower. Yeah, there's a lot of indecision going on. But this LR, yeah, I want longs. I want longs here. I want all this LR. Another tap. Bro, I want all of this. What do we have to deliver into? Maybe we sweep out this. I'd like to see that happen. Wow, this price action is awful. Holy shit. We got nothing. We got nothing. I mean, the only thing. Really nothing. Really absolutely nothing, to be honest with you. And we ran all my LR. That is so tough. That is extremely tough. Swept out this high inside of this daily. I mean, I'd probably like to look for shorts here. Alright, we gotta sleep this buy side. Alright, just run everything. Don't give me any entries. Appreciate that. What are we delivering off of? Still delivering off of this today opening gap. We did sweep these lows down here. You get the 3-minute close. I think, yeah, I mean, I think this is kind of good. It's not incredible, but it's not bad. I'm forced to put my stop loss down here. Kinda forced to. I mean, the trade is like pretty invalid once at this point right here. Go break even at this first internal high. Oh, what? Did I just get tagged out? No. Bro, come on. That's crazy. There's no way I'm taking that unless this is lost either way. And then we would have snagged break even. There's no way I got stopped out by the literal point, bro. One tick and I wouldn't have been stopped out. We would have been break even. Wow. It's unfortunate. Alright, delivering out this daily. Could look for longs here. But we also have another daily below. So we'll see what price wants to give us. We are inside of this 4 hour. We inverse the 4 hour to the downside. Delivering off of this 4 hour. Yeah, I'd like to look for shorts here. Okay, bro, what? Hold up. Delivering out of this hourly. Get the Drake candle. Yeah, I will take this short. Gonna have to run a big stop loss here, though. Take this down to this buy side. Break even. I didn't go break even. That is my bad. Right there is break even. So we did get the minor buy side. Either way, 1-to-1 wouldn't have played out. We would have been break even. Yeah, there ain't nothing. Four hours kind of just ranging around. Still inside of this day. Did this daily close bullish? Daily did close bullish. So, possible long opportunity here. Oh my gosh, 4-hour equal highs? Yeah, we're coming for these. Give me a long position. Give me something long. Oh, we did deliver out of that 5 minute. Nah, it's not enough. Bro, don't just take my liquidity. Don't just take my liquidity, really? I kind of like this. Right, the higher time frame delivery is there. Whoops. We're just in a premium. But those 4-hour equal highs, I feel like we just want to come for these. Bro. We are just in a premium. Like, I'd like a deeper retrace out of this. To be honest, I'm not too confident in this trade. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not very convicted. Break even. Alright, full TP hit. Now we're inside of this 4-hour. Could reject slightly out of this. Yep, I knew it. We're gonna reject lower here. Out of this 4-hour, I mean, you could take even this 5-minute short. This is like obvious, to be honest. Just go break even right here. Flush to like 930. Ah, we don't have 930. So I could possibly see us rejecting out of this. Bro, this kind of looks obvious as well, to be honest. Yeah, just take a break even here. Alright, break even. Save us from a loss. Had to try it. Do one more. Hopefully that 4-hour equal low, equal highs didn't get taken. They did not. We're rejecting lower. Probably want to come for this low. ES already took it. We inverse this 4-hour. Oh, man, I think we want to come up higher. Maybe we take this low. I don't know. Could reject. I really don't know. Probably just gonna be choppy today. I don't really want to take anything here. If it's light bulb, I'll take it, but yeah, there's nothing. No, they took it. I think we just continue bullish from here up to this daily unfilled. Kind of just looking for longs at this point. Took my draw on liquidity though. Not much I'm seeing here. I just want to go lower. No key levels to really be taken out. This price action looks pretty awful. Again, there's like no key levels to be taken out for a while. No lows inside of fair value gaps. Nothing. I mean, this is probably just a no trade day. We'll wait. Hold on. Hold on now. It's our highest time frame here. We have a 15 minute. Ooh, we do have a 15 minute unfilled. I will take this 2 minute. Do we have, we just don't have any higher time frame draws here. So like this is kind of just a pattern trade, to be honest. Not even be honest, like this is a complete pattern trade. Go break even. Break even. Wow, 1-to-1 would have gotten edged by a tick. Wow. Give me something here to end it off. Alright, we're delivering cleanly from this. Price wants to continue higher, I think. We have minor buy side up here. I want to see this 15 minute get inversed. All these 15 minute gets inversed. Clearly trending bullish. Alright, just take everything. Nah, take it all. I didn't even want to enter. I didn't even want to trade today. Who am I for thinking that I should be able to trade today? Just no entries. There's really going to be nothing, to be honest. Like, yeah, this could have been alright, but you're shorting into, it's just nothing's A plus. Just kind of got to wait. See if price gives us anything. Alright, hold up now. Get the 4 minute off a 5 minute retracement. Could try it. Could try it all the way up to here. If we want to come for all this today. You could even try it up to here. I have a feeling that this is going to be break even though. Oh, we already swept out my break even point on ES. Hold on, I'm regretting my decisions. Okay, well, too late now. All right, I'll scale 50% at this high. Not loving this. Break even. Full TP at this high would have been nice. Probably should have scaled more. Took out that high though. Getting a retracement throughout the range. Alright, we left this high behind. As well as this high. Delivering out of this hourly. Bro, this wick has gotta be something. No, it's not. But it's kind of obvious, though, that we're going to want to come back up to it. Just swept out this low inside this 15. Bro, no entries. That's crazy. Probably just going to flush from here. Actually, we come lower. Ooh, this 30-second actually looks good. Still delivering out of the 15. $30 actually looks very nice. But it did take out my break-even point. Like, I would have entered here. Just not too convicted in the 30-second. We could try it, though. What'd I tell you? I told you I wasn't too convicted in it. I said we'll try it, though. I'm not taking that. Not taking that loss. I knew that wasn't likely to play out. I knew it. One-minute inversion actually would have been nice. See if we can deliver out of this hourly. Because I still do think the draw is higher. Hourly inverse. We are delivering out of this hourly volume imbalance, though. And this, it's a 4-hour volume imbalance. Actually. See, this 4-minute wants to close. Yeah, I'm not getting nothing. I am not getting nothing. Alright, we're still ranging. This 15-minute. Oh, I didn't even notice that at that high, that was that daily fair value gap that we're rejecting off of. Oh, we're not. We're not rejecting out of that. Lots of LR in the 4-hour time frame. This high, I mean, this low is the one that stands out to me the most. could take this long. 9:30. Bang. You don't really get a higher time frame delivery here. And this kind of swept out my potential sell side. Still do think we flush out of this though. Try this short position here. Don't really see when a price come above this area. Target this buy side. I mean sell side, I apologize. But really it's like, bro, all these lows need to be ran. Bro. Oh my god. Tag me out. Give me break even, bro. Come on. Do me so dirty. That's tough. I knew we wanted to come up into a key level though. I mean, even now we're just not. Like, that was just all for nothing. That giant move up. We're not delivering out of anything. Literally nothing. We're just ranging. Like, anything right now is a pattern trade. You have no higher time frame draws to deliver off of. Let's try this 1 minute short. Break even. Yeah, there's nothing today. I just wanted to end it off on a win, and now I've been sitting here for 30 extra minutes dealing with this whack price action. I mean, this is really bad. This price action is really, really bad. We're delivering out of this 4 hour. Still think this daily wants to get hit. There's just a lot of LR below. My goodness. This is a V-shaped recovery if I've ever seen one. Bro, that is a V-shaped recovery. I would feel shameful to not take this. Equal highs. 5-minute relative equal highs. Break even. I mean, this 30-second looks nice. It's still have conviction in the longs. Don't tag me out. Bang. Perfect. 30-second re-entry. Still have convictions in the longs. Probably going to go to the downside now. If I had to guess. See how we deliver off this BPR. Boom, you get the inverse of the BPR. Should go down now. Ooh, tough break-even point though. Very, very tough break-even point here. Let's just go ahead and give this one more try before we hop off. Off the inversion of this BPR. Still have room to move lower. Break even. Let's just keep spamming. That's how you become profitable. You just keep spamming. I'm just kidding. But this 2-minute does look good. We just got a little bit of a retracement. I still think we're going to push lower. Take a break even. Full TP. Bang. Alright. I'm going to get off. We're in December now. Let's see how November went, actually. Very tough. November was tough markets to navigate. If I was profitable through November, I'll be happy. Actually, 6% in November. Not bad. These are very tough markets to navigate. October's always tough, it looks like. Just based on the data here. October was very, very tough. Very surprised we left November. We had a couple big trades in November though, which outdid our losses. If these were just like 1K trades, you probably wouldn't have ended up in profit. So I just need to realize that my average R is a little bit higher than what I usually am going for with 1-to-1. So just need to keep that in mind. Yeah. All right. Cool. Well, I'm gonna hop off for the day. Tomorrow is CPI, so we'll see what we can catch after the market opens. CPI is at 7:30, so we'll see what we can catch after market open, and then I'll be back for another trade recap, market review if I don't take anything. And yeah, it's gonna be it for me today. So I'll see you guys later.